Today we are going to discuss about Bode plot. So Bode plot, it is also called as logarithmic plot, which allows us to show wide range of variations in magnitude on a single paper. So in general, Bode plot, it consists of two plots, magnitude and phase angle plot. So magnitude, that is expressed in logarithmic value against logarithmic values of frequency called magnitude plot, whereas phase angle plot, it will be in degree against logarithmic value of frequency called phase angle plot. So you can see here, this is magnitude plot, this is phase angle plot, right? So if you are having a transfer function k divided by s of s plus 1. Okay, what is this k that we are going to identify in Bode plot? That is, you can see here factor 1 system gain k. So g of s into h of s, k plus j0. We are writing s instead of s, we are replacing it by j omega. Then we are going to convert that into magnitude. So magnitude of this k is root of k square plus 0 square. Imaginary will be 0. So it will be k only. Similarly, instead of k, if you are having any value, then 20 log of k, you will get some value that will be in terms of decibel. Okay. Now we come to know that what is k, right? 20 log of k. Then s is there. This s, it indicates pole at the origin. Similarly, if you are having s at the numerator, that is 0 at the origin. Now we are having k divided by s of s plus 1. So k, yes, we wrote in terms of magnitude, that is 20 log of k. Similarly, now we'll define what is s. So s means factor 2, one pole at the origin. If your s is in the denominator, then one pole at the origin. If s is in the numerator, at that time 0 at the origin. So I wrote one pole or 1 0 at the origin. So now we are having one pole at the origin, so 1 by s. So s is replaced by j omega. Then magnitude, root of 1 divided by root of 0 square plus omega square. There is no real number, so j omega square. So square will get cancelled, square and root will get cancelled, so you will get 1 by omega. So while writing in terms of magnitude, 20 log 1 by omega. So it becomes minus 20 log omega. Okay. Now omega, these are omega values, different values, minus 0.11, 10, 100. Because your semilog sheet, that will be in terms of decades, right? So 0.1 to 1, 1 to 10, 10 to 100, like that it will be in decades. So for each value, what will be the omega? So put the omega, you will get 20, 0, minus 20, minus 40. Okay. So in your semilog sheet, minus 20 means like this you will get minus 20. Okay. Similarly, if instead of s, if you are having s square term, at that time, if you are having s square, that is 2 pole at the origin. Same method, 1 by s square, then replace s by j omega, magnitude, then 20 log of that value, right? It becomes minus 40. So minus 20 means somewhere like this, means minus 40 will be upside, minus 60 will be like that if it is s cube. So these are some of the basics regarding Bode plot.